Okay, I was weak. And I decided to take a second stab at things. And I'm wondering if that is what I think it is now. Ooh, I wonder. It sure feels like it, though. Oh, you know what? I think I'm wrong again. I don't know. I'm gonna find out. I believe this is the Cactus Girl. It is the Cactus Girl. Let us look at the Cactus Girl. I love it because it reminds me of that Cactuar from Final Fantasy. Once again, I really hate the lipstick they use on these Lego minifigures. It really does look like they've just been eating like Nutella or something like that. It's just really sloppy. It's all over their fucking face. Gross. I can't tell which way is the front and which way is the back on this. Ew, she has this weird little face on the back. It's kind of like, kind of weird looking deal. Let's see. I don't know what the front is in the back. Let me see if it's on here. Oh, of course not. Why would it be? And it doesn't show it there either. Nope. Okay. Well, I'm just going to assume that this roughly one is the front. I don't know. I have no fucking idea. In any case, it'll be covered up. And now my life is entirely complete. I have Cactus Girl. My god. Is that all it takes to amuse me? Seriously? I don't know, it's just cute. Now, this one, I'm really hoping this is what I think it is. Look at me. I already own it and I'm still feeling it. Oh my god. I'm not even going to say what I think it is, because I just don't feel like embarrassing myself. Ah, it is. What this is this policeman guy here. And he has a little tiny box that looks like his old Lego set. I think my brother had that, actually. Shows how old I am. And the reason I found this one was because it is actually pretty damn rare. These come in boxes of 60, and there's only one of these guys in there. How about that crap? So yeah, as you can see, it's very simple. I'm not going to fully assemble him. I'm not going to, like, you know, jam it on there or anything like that. I just don't feel like doing that. And there's a reason for that. That is cute. I like that. Set 600. And he holds that, you know. It's cool. The reason I picked him up is because he will pay for all of the other ones I've bought. Which, in case you haven't seen the last video I did, it's this one, this one, this one, and now him. This one, since he is only 1 in 60 and 1 per box, he goes for about $20, $25, which is kind of cool. So he's being sold. And I'll tell you, it's really not too hard to find him. If you have a newly opened box of these, he is in the back, like the 4th or so from the back, around that area. And almost every single time. I mean, that seems to be where they are packing him. And the unfortunate thing is, where I bought these, they don't have the boxes. They had a bin and just threw them in. There's like maybe 120 of these damn things in a big bin. And I got on my hands and knees practically because it's down low to the ground. But there is a trick to finding him. As you can see, everybody else on this sheet has big accessories. A big balloon, big ears, brick balloon animals, a big fucking hat, big fucking body piece, big fucking body piece, big fucking body piece. You know, long and weird body piece. You know, big body piece. Everything, every guy on here has just really elaborate, crazy shit with him. Except this guy. The only thing he has, really, are these 2 bricks and that hat. And I know damn well what that hat feels like, because I used to have one. Well, at least my brother did. But yeah, You can tell because his package is really flat. You know, everybody else's packages are like, burn. His is really flat, and that's cool. So yeah, my fingers worked well this time. Yeah, the second I felt the impression of that top of the hat, instantly my childhood came rushing back to me, and I'm like, oh, it's the policeman helmet, or policeman cap. So he really wasn't hard to find. I picked up like a big handful of all these things, like 15 of them, and it was like too big, too big, too big, too big, too big, too big. And then I just curled my hand around in this bin and pulled a bunch from the bottom, and it was like too big, completely flat. And here he is. So yeah, yay, I've got him. So there we go. We got Cactus Girl, and we got Little Policeman. And I gotta say, I almost don't want to sell it just because I really love this little miniature rendition of his box art. That's like so cool. Okay, enough of that. Like, subscribe, and this guy's going on eBay.